One of the biggest things for Terra Luna Classic right now is people are incredibly excited about a possible Ustc repeg. Now we know as part of the Q3 proposal from the L1 team, they're going to be building a simulation environment in which we can test, stress test, and look at exactly how we repeg Ustc. In this video, though, we're going to break it down a little bit more in detail for you guys out there so you understand exactly what's coming and why people are all of a sudden becoming even more bullish on Terra Luna Classic. So if you are excited about that, you want to understand exactly what Ustc can do for the ecosystem, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We bring you the latest and greatest and Terra Luna Classic content nearly every single day. Also, if you're bullish, smash a like on the video and let's get right into it. So I'm going to take your mind all the way back to when we saw the collapse of Terra Luna Classic. Now, not something we all want to talk about particularly. However, it is a good point to reference exactly what happened when we think about moving forward with a Ustc repeg. So why did Terra Luna crash? Well, let me tell you through this article. It says before Luna crashed, about $2 billion worth of UST was unstaked from the Anchor protocol, and hundreds of millions of it were then immediately sold. It is still unknown exactly why someone carried out this action, but some suspect it was a form of malicious attack on the Terra ecosystem. Now, there's a ton of arguments to say that it was Alameda Research, it was Sam Bankman-Fried. No one's actually proven exactly who it was. We just know that that's pretty much what happened. This large sell-off pushed the price of UST down to 91 cents, so people started to purchase Luna with Ustc in droves, because even if the price of UST is lower than $1, one UST can always be redeemed against $1 worth of Luna. So here's the point here. The fact that the algorithmic stablecoin was pegged to $1, it's the same way people were buying USDC when that dumped all the way down to, I think it was like 77 cents, because people speculate on the fact that it would go back to $1. That's just reality. That makes sense. It's pegged, particularly if it is real world assets and there is a ton of money that can be thrown about it. It says, however, at the same time, the overall crypto market was experiencing a major crash, which led to the price of Luna crashing. At this point, the market capitalization of Luna fell below UST. This was a problem because UST was algorithmically linked to the Luna for stabilization. As a result, the UST got depegged since the total value of UST could not be redeemed against Luna. As the USTC got depegged, everyone who held this stablecoin started selling off. Since they lost confidence in the coin, this also directly caused the value of Luna to crash at a very fast rate. So not only are people selling UST, not only are people trying to convert USTC to Luna, people now sell Luna, and the whole thing is in a downward spiral. It says, as this happened in such a short duration of time, that the algorithm which maintained the value of UST at $1 failed to maintain the stablecoin's price. Since the price of both UST and Luna started crashing hard at the same time, investors sold off all their holdings to the open market, and they significantly increased the supply of Luna on the crypto market, along with the depegging of USTC, ultimately made investors lose confidence in the project, and so the price of Luna continued to crash until it was basically worthless. And I think this bit here, this fact that people lost confidence in the algorithmic stablecoin, is ultimately why the Q3 proposal is incredibly important. Now, as part of parity, we do know that we are getting that very, very soon. We will therefore link into the Cosmos ecosystem. But furthermore to that is the recreation of the Ustc environment. What do we get with that? We've talked about this on a previous video, but the recreating a simulation of the depeg event. This is going to be really critical to allow people to understand, was it a failure in the algorithmic part, or was it a deliberate attack upon Terra Luna? And I think that's going to be very, very important to understand how going forward we can stop market manipulation. Everybody knows cryptocurrency, you know, can be manipulated. Let's just be honest. So I think this is incredibly important. They're going to recreate and create a simulated repeg event. Okay, what does it look like if we truly want to repeg USD to $1? And I think this is where people will certainly start to see and believe this is possible. That's where we could see some significant purchasing back into Terra Luna Classic, and testing the proposed strategy for maintaining a Ustc peg. Also incredibly important. This will build investor confidence back in the Terra ecosystem. Now, more importantly though, Luna itself is not doing this. This is a Terra Classic adventure. This is something that the Terra Luna Classic community wants, because ultimately what does it do? It burns Luna Classic at a more exponential rate than we've probably seen yet when it comes to that. So I think 3 key points for that repeg, which ultimately is absolutely what we want to see. Now, what is going on with Luna Classic? Well, right now we had a nice little relief rally, pumped all the way up to the 200-day EMA, got rejected, came back down, looking at the 7-day EMA across 4 support support, currently 890. The market, though, 1.68% as we head into FOMC and CPI data tomorrow. It's going to be a very interesting day in cryptocurrency. We could even see Luna move up. If we get that 0 rate hike, I think we could definitely see a positive sentiment in the market. Now, furthermore, we do actually have another 1.3 billion Luna Classic staked, 14.65%. This just continues to grow at $1.3 trillion. So we'll keep you updated exactly what that looks like. But people getting bullish on parity 2 days until we see that link back into the Cosmos ecosystem. You can see here, staking in Terra Luna Classic has reached an impressive milestone with a new record of 1 trillion. And the Terra Classic is set to undergo version 2.1.1 software upgrade at block height 132.15800, which approximately 2 o'clock on June 14th. So very exciting news, very good news. Now, like I said, the price is looking pretty solid. We are in an upward trend. We want to test this 9153 range, and I think, like we said, we could get some positive relief rally as we move into that FOMC, and equally another further days to parity. We're going to be here for it every single day, so be sure, if you haven't already, subscribed to this channel. But let me know down below, what do you think the USTC Repegg environment is going to bring? Do you truly believe we can get back to $1? I'm interested to very much know what you guys think. As ever, thank you so much for watching all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like on this video if you're still bullish on Terra Luna Classic, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.